Alright guys, real quick video here. This hour meter I got off of Amazon. Here's the directions. I followed these to a T, so if you're interested in doing something like this, just pay close attention. It's real simple. I'm wrapping the wire around the spark plug wire. It says wrap it 5 times, so that's what I did. And then I secured it with a zip tie they provided. What I did was I took the slack from the wire, about an inch left over at the bottom, and I just hooked that to the top and just kind of zip tied them together, and it held in place. And then you take the other end of the wire and you just pop it into that slot on the back of the meter. I took a flathead screwdriver afterwards and just kind of pushed it all the way down. And then you start the engine and you look for that icon on the left side of the screen on the meter there. It should flash as it's doing here. And I zip tied the wire from the hour meter to the throttle cables and cut the ends off. I ran it underneath of this bar behind the seat, just up and under, and zip tied it to the frame there. And I zip tied the actual meter to the frame. It's not perfect, but it'll work.